Oh my goodness. Welcome back to my channel. We are doing a refresh today. As you see, this is a flip over sew-in, curly sew-in at that. Very bomb hair, but the leave out is leaving out right now. Okay, it looks crazy. It's just time to be refreshed. I'm using this Shea Moisture mousse. So far I have been loving this. You're gonna need like a brush. Got this from Beauty Supply Store, I think. Spray bottle, right from Wally World. And an oil of your choice. I'm using this Odell Beauty. Love it down. It's not too greasy. It doesn't weigh my hair down. I've been using this for over a year now and look at it. Yeah, little goes a long way. I'm gonna section my hair into like pieces. Ooh, I haven't brushed this in a couple days. Oh my goodness. You don't have to section it, but this is what I do just to, you know, get every strand, because this is really good hair. Just to wet it a little. See how now it's like gliding through? That's what you want. So once I have brushed this thoroughly, curl should look like this. And then I'm just gonna use that mousse to twirl. We're just gonna twirl this all the way through all the hair. I'm just twisting the leave out with mousse into small little twists. Don't worry about the black tracks. This came like that. The girl who installed the bundle, she was like, I can get some blonde hairspray to spray the black roots and it'll blend better. Okay, now it's time to blow dry. How we're looking before we blow dry with the diffuser. This hair is so good. This is 3 bundles of 22 inches. And we have diffused the hair. This is how we're looking before we blend the leave out. You know what? I can go in a little bit more right here. It's a little wet. But you can see how much more defined this hair is.